It took me actually 4 years to figure out how to set goals that I was able to achieve. In this video, actually, I want to share with you my experience, everything I learned about goal setting, how to set goals, how to write them down, the strategy I use so that you can maximize your chances of achieving whatever you want. Hello everyone, my name is Joe. Welcome to this YouTube channel, Joe Becoming a Millionaire, in which I share my journey with you to become financially free. My purpose here is to motivate you and inspire you to start your own journey. So if you are interested in topics such as money, success, mindset, books, and all that stuff, don't forget to subscribe. I know many of you expect a lot of jokes on my videos, but this video is going to be a little bit more serious than the rest, because actually goal setting can have a tremendous impact on whether you achieve your goals or not. As I said in the beginning, it took me 4 years to figure out things and to set goals that I was able to achieve. I know exactly through trial and error a good strategy that can help you maximize your performance and to maximize also your chance to achieving your goals. Goals. Yeah, I said it was going to be a serious video, so no. So let's get started. Number one, don't make New Year resolution. This one is actually simple to say, but a little bit hard to implement, because most of us link the new year to writing goals, to having a resolution, to be motivated to do more and all that. But what you should keep in mind is that 2020, 2021, 30, 50, those are all numbers, and nothing will change with those numbers. There is nothing magical that will happen that can help you achieve your goals. If you cannot change who you are, if you cannot change your bad habits and replace them with some blessing rituals, nothing will change. And also, if you link your goals or achieving your goals to the new year, once the excitement for the new year is gone, also your fire will be gone. What I mean here is that you should focus on making goals like it is any part of the year, not because it is the new year. This way you can keep that fire inside of you, even if the excitement, or even when you see other people losing their motivation because of the new year is gone, or all that stuff. Number two, set the minimum possible. So what I mean by this is that in life there are a lot of aspects of it to which you can set goals. And the mistake that most people make is that they want to achieve everything at the same time. They want the perfect balance, which actually doesn't really exist. In some parts of your life, you just have to sacrifice few things to achieve other things. And because you don't have to sacrifice the important stuff completely, you just have to set the minimum possible. Let me explain. So for example, if your goal is to make a lot of money, you don't have to sacrifice your health, you don't have to sacrifice your family time, you don't have to sacrifice your mental health. So as an example, you just have to set the minimum. For example, for health, you can say, I have to work out 2 times a week, or to walk 30 minutes a day. For family, you can say something like, I don't have to go below 15 minutes with my family, your kids, your parents, your spouse, and whatever. For your mental health, you can say, I have to do at least 5 minutes of meditation. And it is actually up to you to choose which part to focus on completely and which part to set the minimum possible. Number 3, and I call this one the 90% performance, 10% results rule. When you are just starting your journey, it is better to focus on your performance, not on the result. What I mean here is that you should set performance goals, not result-based goals. Because actually you can control your performance, but your results are not 100% guaranteed. So as an example, instead of saying I want 1,000 subscribers, you can say I want to make 40 videos. Instead of saying I want to make $10,000, you can say I want to talk to 100 clients. This way, actually, if you don't get the result or the expected result, you will not lose your fire, you will not lose your demotivation. And you'll not lose your demotivation. Okay, That's a good one. You will not lose your motivation. Number 4, set daily tasks. If actually you focus on the big picture, which is your big goal or your yearly goal, you may lose your fire to achieving it easily. But actually, if you split it to daily tasks, you will find out that it is not that hard to do. This way, you will stay motivated all the time, because once your brain knows that you went from A to B, it will keep you motivated. It doesn't matter how big the task is. Your brain doesn't make the difference between a big task or a small task. But just remember, and this is the part that most people fail for, just remember this: your way to success is filled with repetition. Don't expect an exciting process, just expect boring things. Expect to have to do a lot of the same things every day. Number 5, write down your goals. I know this is not something new, but I have a strategy for you, or something I use that can help you big time with this one, because most people will just take like a paper like this one and start writing their goals. I think it can work, but in some cases it's better to structure them in a way that you can read them easily, because you will have to read your goals every day. And the strategy I use is something called the wheel of goal. Give me a second, I will show it to you. What is it? 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 Boom, 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 boom. I don't remember where I put it. Too good, too good. My microphone. Okay, this is the wheel of goal. It is split to 8 parts. I think these are the complete aspects that for which you need to make some goals. But keep this in mind. I will make actually a full tutorial on how to write your goals using the wheel of goal. I will put the link somewhere here, because I will do it after this video, and once I'm done with it I will use it. If not, just go to my YouTube channel and you will find it. If not, just subscribe, and the video after this one is going to be about that one. So here it is split and it is easily structured. You can read it easily because you have health, spiritual and religion, environment, time, money, job and career, communication and relationship, emotion and feelings. You just have to fill this one with whatever you have as goals, and then you can put it somewhere and start reading. Actually, I have it right here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not sure if you can see it. Okay, yeah, you can see it. It's here. Yeah, I use this one as a visualization board. Yeah, that's it. I'm not sure if I'm going to be, but it's the end of the video. It doesn't matter, so just bear with me these few seconds. Okay, so that was my strategy. Those were my tips for setting goals. As I said, in the next video I will do a full tutorial about how to use the wheel of goal, or how to set your goals using the wheel of goals. And that is it. It was nice talking to you. And don't forget, in the last video, and I cut it, I said, don't remember, whatever. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Peace.